Hey mathematicians, let's talk composite shapes. You're probably familiar with this word composite from spelling. In spelling, a composite word is a word that is made up of more than one word jammed together, like handball, obviously made up of hand and ball. Composite shapes are similar in that they are shapes made up of more than one base shape. This example here is I can see a square and a triangle that come together to make this quadrilateral. Composite shapes have to be touching. They can't be separate, otherwise that's just two shapes. They can't be overlapping, otherwise that's just a mess. They must be touching but not overlapping. I could put that there and make myself a little bit of a start of a spaceship. I've got some other base shapes here you can see I've drawn and labeled, and some of them I've colored. I could do a bunch of different things here. As long as they are not overlapping and are touching, then it is a composite shape. These two ones over here we can also take apart. A composite shape, you can often see where it's been made up of multiple other shapes, or what other base shapes make up that composite shape. We already know that this quadrilateral here can be broken down into a triangle and a square. This L kind of shape, I can see that it could be two rectangles that make up that composite shape. This composite shape is a bit trickier, but I can see, well, I can see a six-sided hexagon in the middle there with, well, it's just two squares, or not quite squares, rectangles attached to the sides that make up that composite shape. The composite shape could have as many base shapes as you want, but as long as they are touching and not overlapping, you've got yourself a composite shape.